doke, everyone. Check it out. Finally got our painting booth. Okay, so we're going to switch it on for the first time. So we just opened it up. Okay, for the first time. It's actually cool. It comes with a big fan for inflation, 750 watts, and it comes with a little sticker on each tube. One says ventilation, the other inflation pipe. Okay, and we're going to switch it on right now to see how it works. Let's go. Wow, that's a bit quick, eh? It's a strong fan, and you can use these fans also for the jumping castles. So we'll also have some cool jumping castles, you know. Let's see how it works now. Okay, just gonna give it a little help here. It's just feel like I'm gonna get squashed over here. Wow, it's much bigger than I thought. What? That's crazy. Wow. Look at that. What? What just happened? It just like exploded. Wow. That's good material. Polyurethane textile. It's all sewed, not welded, but it's also quite easy to fix then. What? That's almost like a house. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna have to get some plastic sleeves for the shoes when I use this. I'm gonna actually go in my socks, because I want to put some like lining on the floor whenever we paint, and then you just have to like open it up a bit. You open it a bit more, and you got the filters for the paint so that it doesn't go outside. Thick, quite thick, these filters. They're very nice, eh? Yes, we got a light ceiling right there, so when we're painting outside, we have some more lights here. That's good. And we actually have this material to fix it in case we tear it by mistake. And there's a filter here. So what is this filter? It's like a thick layer, eh?
No, there's a couple on the outside. Have a look here.
Let me see. No, it doesn't explode because this is like a breathable polyurethane textile. Yeah, so the air will keep on blowing out but still keep it inflated. That's why you can't make this like anti-waterproof, or else it would just blow up. It's got to pass some air, even it's through the little sewing. See the sew? That's where the extra air comes out. Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's a ventilation there. So this is the carbon filter. That's very nice. We have to buy more filters to have extra now. And this is the outer layer, so that the paint doesn't come outside and pollute the air. That's nice.
This is the air from the inflation.
But why do you open this out?
I don't know why.
Oh, in case you want to like...
You don't want too much pressure, I don't know. Not sure why.
Oh, it holds the pressure. Okay. Oh, so if you want to like balance the pressure. It's a very strong fan, very good. Got the hooks here to... Oh, sorry, not used to this phone because my one went to go fixing. Still thinking of getting the other phone. Let me see what Samsung says. These are the hooks to keep the tent down. It's quite complete, eh?
You gotta open this if you want the air filter. You gotta open this out to let the air come out.
Yes, if you want to filter the air, you take
this out.
You take this top layer out.
Top layer leaves just a filter.
Yes. And there you go. Like there you can filter.
Can wash this?
When we're painting, we gotta take these covers out.
Yes.
If you want to use it as a lounge,
okay,
then you can. This is what you do. I don't know, it looks too good to paint in, eh? Come inside, it's quite a lot of space. No, this is, I think it comes in the box, the curtain. We don't have to cut it. It comes separate. I thought we'd have to cut it so that we get more space, but we don't. So it's actually better like this, eh?
Yes, we need this.
Now we can paint all parts, machines.
You think I can't see?
Now we can have it in here, we can have it outside. Especially outside is better because of the light, so that we can get sunlight. It's quite dark if you can't see. If it's raining, we paint here. And we don't send paint out to the workshop. No, we already got a liner. We bought a liner to put on the floor. And on the walls you can't cover the filters, so I'm sure the air will be going to the filters. That's quite cool, eh? And then you got the little curtain there so we can get out. The big curtain is to bring the machine in. It has to go all the way to the floor. Quite exciting, you know. It's like we gonna go camping. It's quite sturdy. Very nice. Yes, it's right there, the zip. Right there, yeah. There you go. Very nice. So you got these straps here to... Oh man, I'm always letting the phone almost drop. You got these straps to pick up the tent. It's got to be like 2 people or 4. Even 2 people, it's very light, very light. With the even lighter. And then you got these hooks to just tie it down. But we will use it in days that isn't windy, you know? Yeah. If it's not windy, it's not a problem. If you want to know where I bought it, I'll send you the info. Okay, doke. And then there's like some hooks right there. You can just like hang stuff, you know? I don't know what, but whatever you need. Oh, that's cool. Lights. Probably lights, if you need lights inside. Okay, dokie, and then we have one, that's just a fan for inflation. We still have the fan for the ventilation. Okay? So that we can send all the paint into the air filters. That's cool. So here's actually the separator. To separate the small room from the big room, you see? It comes inside the box. That's the bag for the tent. And some accessories, rope, hooks for the ground. That's the big fan. And now we're going to switch on the small ones. Just see how much wind gets inside. I want to see if it's good or not for the painting. Okay, let's see how fast. Just show you guys how fast it inflates. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Just got to like. It just goes, it just explodes. Boom. There you go. Done. See? That's how quick it is, guys. Quite amazing, eh? And now we're going to switch on this one. See how much air comes through. Turn it around here. Strangled up around here. There you go. Okie dokie. There's going to be a lot of background noise. Okay. There you go. Let's see how much wind goes inside. Is there a lot of wind now? See if I can feel a lot of wind. So all the wind is coming out through that hole. You see here. So if you go right next to the hole, it's a lot of wind. But once you're inside here, the space is so big you don't feel the wind. Actually makes it breathe better. And that door is open. So if you close up the door a bit, then all the paint is going to go into the filters and no paint will go outside. That's the whole idea. To be more, because if you want to paint outside, you have to have filters, you know, you have to have a painting booth. Outside or inside. So that's why we got this painting booth.
difícil.
Else we'd have to always get the painting job done outside, you know.
Não dá, não dá.
Sometimes we're in such a hurry. So you got to close it when it's still not inflated, eh? Else it makes too much force. I'm getting crushed by the tent.
I need help here. I couldn't close it by myself. Somebody's got to pull this straight.
Oh, there you go. So you got to put what? The machine inside and then close it up. Yeah.
Maybe you don't have to close it up there. Let's go. Maybe the bottom there is.
So you can actually open up the vents right there, just so that the door can lower a bit. Yes, it should be open. I know. Open it up a bit. Open it up. Now open up the vents. See the difference? Yeah. Oh, there you go. Start slowing down a bit. It looks like it's just going to go into the air. There I would go, right? I know, it's weird. But you got to open up these vents so that the air can circulate. The manual doesn't talk a lot about it, you know. There you go, now it's planted on the floor. And now this part's right here, still doing a little bit of force, but not too much now. Hey? Oh, so if you switch it on, let me see. Switch it on. Let's see what happens. Oh no, but the air vents are letting it out now. See? Okay, so there you go. Paint booth ready. Now let's get to work. Very nice. Never seen this mini limousine. Ugly car, but it's just weird looking. Don't even have to have a driver's license for this. Just the first limousine one I've seen. Normally they're this size. Alpina. Alpina, not Alpine, Alpina. That's a funny one. Today made our own francesinha. Let's see how it goes. All the meat was chosen by us. Bread and the sauce was homemade as well. Let's go.